Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Photoshop tutorials, how to get your toolbar back. For example, I will create new file, and if you missing the toolbar like this, I will close, and you want to get back this toolbar, you can go to window menu, and in here we can click on the tools. So it will be show again, and then you can move these tools into the left bar. You also can change for the toolbar by using these workspace tools. Like this is for the 3D and this is for the motion. Or you can change back normal into essential or default like this. So if you close another, like in here, we can close this tab group. And if you want to back again, you can go to window and you can check for the layers. Like this, it will be show again the layer tab. Okay, that's it for basic Photoshop tutorials, how to get your toolbar back. And if you have any question about this tutorial, you can comment below this video.